Well, hello and welcome back. In this week's discussion, we're going to look at Rockefeller and Carnegie and the strategies they used to dominate their industries. As the question says, explain how the entrepreneurs Rockefeller and Carnegie pioneered the growth of big business and were able to dominate their respective industries. So this is a two-part question, similar to the discussion one of the previous week. So what are we going to be looking at? Well, first and foremost, we're going to have to look at the strategies that are used. There's two specific strategies you must go into detail and then define what they are. There's vertical integration and there's horizontal integration. So define what they were, okay? Then you go into like John D. Rockefeller. How did Rockefeller use either a combination of those strategies or a specific one of those strategies to dominate the oil industry, especially oil refinement? Of course, more information I will give to you in my lecture video. So once again, you can't cite this video. This is just basically giving you an idea what I'm looking for. Go to my lecture video. I go into great detail how Rockefeller did that. Then you do the same for Andrew Carnegie and what he did in the steel industry. You know, for example, what Carnegie did with vertical integration is that he owned coal mines, iron ore mines, railroad lines that transported the raw materials to a steel plant in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Therefore, it cost him next to nothing to manufacture steel. He also learned and incorporated the Bessemer process that made it a lot cheaper and faster to make steel. And by making it faster and cheaper, he could control and make the monopoly out of steel in Carnegie Steel. Okay? So if you had missed it before, you can always send me your discussion before 4 p.m. every Thursday. I'll critique it. More than happy to critique it, give it back to you so you can make a higher grade. All right? So I look forward to reading your discussion this week. Have a great week.